atomic spectra? What about absorption spectrum? And lastly, what about emission spectrum? Well, in this video, we're gonna tackle those three topics. What is atomic spectra? So basically, atomic spectra refers to the EM radiation that is absorbed or emitted by electrically charged particles during their movement across various energy levels inside an atom.
This is what we call atomic spectrum.
To further understand what is atomic spectra, the following pictures are example of it.
This is the atomic spectrum of hydrogen.
Before we proceed to absorption spectrum and emission spectrum, let us discuss first what is the ground state and the excited state. Ground state. Ground state refers to the lowest energy state of an atom, or it can be described as the atom's lowest energy state that an atom can be in. What about excited state? Excited state is when an electron temporarily occupies energy state that is greater than its ground state. Additionally, in excited state, the potential energy is higher than the ground state, and the atom becomes unstable. Let us now proceed on the absorption spectrum. The light frequencies that forms absorption spectrum are those with dark bands that arise when electrons absorb energy in the ground state, such that higher energy states are attained.
This is the process of absorption spectrum.
Additionally, it is a spectrum formed by electromagnetic radiation that has passed through a medium in which radiation of a certain frequencies is absorbed. The light frequencies emitted when electrons emit energy to go back to the ground state from unstable, excited state comprise the emission spectrum.
So this is the emission spectrum.
Additionally, it is the spectrum of frequencies of electromagnetic radiation emitted due to an atom or molecule transitioning from high energy state to lower energy state.
Let us differentiate absorption spectrum and emission spectrum. Absorption spectrum is produced when atoms absorb energy, while emission spectrum is produced when atoms release energy. Absorption spectrum show dark lines or gap, while the emission spectrum show colored lines. Atomic spectra is used in astronomical spectroscopy. It is used in identifying the compositions of stars by analyzing the received light. Atomic spectra is also used in the pharmaceutical industries to find the traces of materials used.
That's all for today. I am Catherine Aurora May del Rosario Chico from 12 STEM.